We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this HP M476. We're going to show you how to check where your toner levels are. So if you're not sure if you need to order a backup or how soon you're going to need to change something if you have a big job coming up, this is an easy way to kind of let you know exactly where your printer's at. So it's really simple. At the top right hand corner of your screen, you'll see a little polka dot triangle. Go ahead and click on that button. And on that screen, it'll actually show you kind of a visual representation of where all of your toners are, just to kind of give you a ballpark idea of where your toners are. But if you want a little bit more detail, once you're in those screens, you'll see there's two options at the bottom. There's OK, which is if that's plenty of information for you, you can just hit OK and that takes you back to the home screen. Or there's Report. If you click on Report at the bottom left of the screen, it's going to print out your supply status page, and that page is going to give you a lot of useful information as far as the cartridges that are inside of your machine. And it'll help you, just like I said, if you need to know when to change your cartridge, how soon it's going to need to be changed, and kind of give you a ballpark idea of when all that's going to be due. So this is your supply status page. You'll see for all 4 cartridges inside the printer, there's actually a status bar and a percentage. So to give you the percentage of how much toner is left inside for each cartridge. And that, again, that is an approximate number, so just kind of keep that in mind. That gives you a really good idea, but it's not 100% accurate. If your status bar is empty, if there's nothing there, but instead you're getting an attention warning, that's going to mean you're probably under 10% and it's going to be time to change that cartridge pretty much immediately. So just keep that in mind as well. Also in here you'll find, it'll give you the numbers of how many pages have been printed with each cartridge and approximately how many pages are left to still print with that cartridge. So, like I said, if you have a big job coming up and you want to make sure you're not going to run out of toner in the middle of that job, this page will give you a lot of information just to make sure where you are and that you're not going to need anything else. But other than that, you should be good to go and back up and printing. If you do need supply, please feel free to give Onyx a call and we can help you out with getting any supply you might need. And good luck.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.